The ASX 200 has finished the session up 1% with every sector joining the rally. Over the week though, the index slipped 0.8%, recording its fifth straight weekly decline. Exchange operator ASX announced it would close for day at 3:37 p.m. AEST on Monday. ASX Trade markets will not reopen for trading for trade date the 19th of September. Furthermore, there will be no closing single price auction. CSPA. The ASX said in a statement. The closure follows a late start to trading on Monday, with investors not able to buy and sell any stocks until after 11:30 a.m. AEST due to a technical fault that affected the management of individual shares. The market was only fully open for trading at 1:20 p.m. AEST, before the ASX put trading into a halt again at 2:13 p.m. AEST. At noon AEST, the benchmark ASX S&P 200 was down 0.37% after the delayed start to trading. Earlier, at 10:10 p.m. AEST, the broader All Ordinaries index was also unchanged at 5,396.7. The ASX 24, the share price futures index contract, was down 7 points at 5,268, with 7,238 contracts traded. Options Express market analyst Ben LeBrun said that while the delay affected volumes, the overall market's movement lower was influenced by lower oil prices and weak leads from Wall Street. The ASX delay has not had much to do with the overall price action except for being very inconvenient, he said. They're selling across the board with the energy, materials, healthcare and financials all lower. Quote, he said resource and energy stocks were under pressure because global oil prices had fallen on continued concerns about an oversupply, while other commodity prices were either lower or unchanged. Investor concern in the lead-up to the Bank of Japan and the U.S. Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee's separate interest rate meetings later this week was also dragging on the market. He said, "We are in the hands of the central bank gods." Quote, on the local bourse, the banks were mostly lower at 12:02 p.m. AEST, with ANZ bucking the trend to rise 9 cents, or 0.34%, to $26.45. Westpac was down 33.5 cents, or 1.13%, at $29.255, while National Australia Bank fell 5 cents, or 0.18%, to $27.01, and Commonwealth Bank was down 30 cents, or 0.42%, at $71.91. The major oil and gas players were also mixed, with Santos up 10 cents, or 2.87%, at $3.58, while Woodside Petroleum fell 38 cents, or 1.39%, to $27.05. The two big miners, BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto, were lower, losing 0.7% and 0.86%, to $19.95 and $46.20, respectively. Meanwhile, Newcrest Mining has agreed to sell its 50% stake in the Hidden Valley joint venture, including a mine in Papua New Guinea, to its partner Harmony Gold Mining. Shares in the gold miner were up 53 cents, or 2.51%, to $21.65. Key facts.